Dear students, let's solve some problem based on photoelectric effect. Problem 2.6 of NCERT book at page number 43. You have to calculate the energy of 1 mole of photon of radiations whose frequency is 5 into 10 raised to power 14 Hertz. So in this problem, you have to calculate the energy of 1 mole of photon. What is photon? It is the packets of energy in case of light. It is the discrete value of energy in case of light is known as photon. And the frequency is given 5 into 10 raised to power 14 Hertz. Hertz is the unit of frequency, or we can say second inverse. So you have to calculate the energy for 1 mole, and 1 mole of any substance is equal to Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 10 raised to power 23 particles, and the particles in that case is photon. As we know very well, the formula for energy, if frequency is given, then E is equal to h nu, where E is the energy of radiations, h is Planck constant, and nu is the frequency of that radiation. So let's find out the energy first for one photon. E is equal to Planck constant 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second, unit of Planck constant, multiplied by with frequency 5 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse, or we can say Hertz. So second or second inverse cancel out, so energy will be in the unit of joule. Energy will be equal to 3.313 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule after calculation. But this is the energy for only one photon, and you have to calculate the energy for 1 mole of photon. So energy for 1 mole of photon, that is Avogadro's number, is equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23 per mole. So total energy will be equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23 photon, and one photon have energy 3.313 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. After calculation, the value will be 19.950 into 10 raised to power 4 joule per mole, and converted into kilojoule by dividing 1000, you will get the value, that is the energy for 1 mole of photon when frequency is given. So in this problem, one of the important formula is E is equal to h nu. When frequency is given, you have to calculate energy easily. Next problem, problem number 2.7, page number 43. In text question, a 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometer. Calculate the number of photons emitted per second by the bulb. A 100-watt bulb. Watt means power. In this problem, you have to given power, energy upon time, known as power. A 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light. Monochromatic means the light which have single wavelength, which have same wavelength, is known as monochromatic light, of wavelength 400 nanometer. Nanometer, the unit for wavelength, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. So you have to calculate the number of photons emitted per second by the bulb. So let's solve this problem. Let's check the given parameter. Power is equal to 1000 watt, or we can say power is 100 watt, or we can say 100 joule per second, that is unit for watt, and wavelength is 400 nanometer, converted into meter, 400 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. And the expression for energy, as we know, E is equal to h nu, where nu is frequency, but here lambda is given, so we have to convert this nu frequency in terms of wavelength. As we know, the relationship between wavelength, frequency and light, C is equal to lambda nu, and from this expression nu is equal to C by lambda. So by putting the value of nu in energy expression, it will be E is equal to hc upon lambda, where h is Planck constant, c is the speed of light and lambda is the wavelength. H Planck constant 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second, that is the unit for Planck constant, and speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and the wavelength 400 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Dear student, unit conversion is must. You have to aware about unit conversion because सेम यूनिट जो होती हैं क्वेश्चंस में उसको आप कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं, इसलिए यूनिट कन्वर्जन का आप बिल्कुल ध्यान रखें। अगर आप यूनिट कन्वर्जन का ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो आपका क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा। तो बेटा यहाँ से मीटर मीटर कैंसिल आउट, सेकंड से सेकंड कैंसिल आउट, तो आपको यहाँ बचेगा जूल एंड एनर्जी, द यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी इज जूल और किलो जूल। सो इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन आफ्टर कैंसिल आउट द मीटर सेकेंड you will get the unit of joule, 4.969 into 10 raised to power minus 90 joule. But the question is, you have to calculate the number of photons emitted. You have to calculate the number. So for number, you have to divide this power 100 joule per second by the energy, that is you have calculated. So joule cancel out and the number will be, you will get number in second inverse, that is number of photons emitted per time, and it is also known as frequency. Second inverse is known as Hertz frequency, is number of photon emitted per second is also known as frequency, and the frequency will be, or number of photons emitted will be 2.012 into 10 raised to power 20 per second. तो एक सेकेंड में इतने फोटोन इमिट होते हैं, and the photon is the packets of discrete value of energy. Next problem 2.9 at page number 43. Based on photoelectric effect, the threshold frequency nu naught for a metal is given 7 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse. You know about threshold frequency? Threshold frequency, the minimum frequency for photoelectric effect below which no photoelectric effect is observed, that is known as threshold frequency. Calculate kinetic energy of electron emitted when radiations of frequency is 1 into 10 raised to power 15 second inverse hits the metal. So dear student, this is the photoelectric effect and the threshold frequency given है metals के लिए। आपको kinetic energy निकालनी है और जो रेडिएशंस हैं, इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी भी गिवन है, कितना है 1 इंटू 10 टू पावर 15 सेकेंड इनवर्स। तो बेटा यहाँ से चेक करो, जो आपके पास इंसिडेंट रेडिएशंस हैं और जो आपके पास मेटल है उसकी थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी, दोनों में डिफरेंस चेक करिए। जो इंसिडेंट रेडिएशंस है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ग्रेटर है, इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी। तो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी लोअर है 7 इंटू 10 टू पावर 14 सेकेंड इनवर्स, एंड the frequency of incident radiations is higher, larger, 1 into 10 raised to power 15 second inverse. So this is the value for nu and this is nu naught. So according to Einstein equation, for photoelectric effect, kinetic energy is the difference, kinetic energy is what the difference for incident radiation energy minus threshold energy for metals. Kinetic energy, as we know, it is equal to half me v square, where m is the mass of electron and v is the velocity of that electron, is equal to h mu minus h mu naught. That is the difference between two energy of incident radiation minus energy of threshold case. H is common, mu minus mu naught. Kinetic energy, H is Planck constant 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Nu is given for incident radiation 1 into 10 raised to power 15 second inverse minus nu naught for metals 7 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse. This is Planck constant in joule second. So you have to subtract one frequency to another frequency, but here is 10 raised to power 15, here is 10 raised to power 14. So in that case you have to same the power value, so that calculation will be easy. Or we can also write 1 into 10 raised to power 15 as 10 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse minus 7 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse. So both the notation have same power value, so it will be easier to calculate. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 3 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse is multiplied by with Planck constant, and the energy will be equal to 1.988 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. That is kinetic energy, and it can be calculated in kilojoule by dividing 1000.